The scientific term for Canberry hibiscus is Hibiscus estosella. Other names include false rosella, maroon mallow, and red shield hibiscus. It does best in full sun to shade. These are easily propagated through cuttings and through seeds. It's basically a very hardy plant. Here, one single plant is there in the spot. It should grow back. As you can see, the calyx of the Canberry hibiscus is not so fleshy and is not eaten, but it can be used with petals while steeping in hot water. Now let's see some of the benefits of these Canberry hibiscus. It's rich in high amount of vitamin C. That's why it's considered as a great immune booster. It has ability to lower body temperature. Therefore, people take this herbal tea as well. Canberry hibiscus is considered as an valuable digestive aid. The antispasmodic effect of Canberry is considered useful for symptoms associated with irritable bowel syndrome. Other benefits include lowering cholesterol. It's also useful in diabetics. And in some cases, it has also been proven to help during menstrual cramps and weight loss. It also improves digestion and some skin conditions. It also helps to relieve symptoms of anxiety and depression as well. Coming to water requirement, it's fairly drought tolerant plant. All kinds of soil are suitable as long as it is well drained. Along with the advantages, this tea also has some disadvantage. You can see this tea has high estrogen levels. So if you're trying to be pregnant or you are pregnant, then you should avoid hibiscus in your diet. Now to make the floral herbal tea, you can directly use the petals as well. The flower, when it is bloom, you can collect the flower and use it, or when it closes off, here you should be very careful because here small spines are there. And in preparing tea, we'll be using only the petals, not the central stamen part. We will be removing. Now next we have a simple and quick recipe for hibiscus tea.